Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Stock Sniper Trading. It's Ronnie, and just let me know, guys. You can hear me, see my charts, everything's all good. Welcome, welcome. It's Tokyo session, guys. We're getting ready for 9 p.m. Eastern. Hopefully, everybody's having a good evening, and we're gonna get started, guys. We'll be looking at we'll be checking out, guys, gold, US30, and NAS100. Antonio, Aldo, what's up, bro? Doug, what's going on? Let's get this, guys. Let's have a good night. So just feeding off of Dave's call in the morning, you guys absolutely killed it, guys. New York session pips, they were flying. So congrats to the sniper team, everybody that was showing all their tickets, all the profits. Guys, Dave and I are really proud of all you guys. So let's continue this momentum into tonight. We'll see what the markets give us, and let's have some fun, guys. So there's eight guys already in the chat. Love it. Thank you, guys. If I can just get you guys to like the videos, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new here. Helps Dave and I grow this. And we're almost at 700 subs, guys. So we're stoked about that. So thanks to everybody. We appreciate you guys. Okay, guys, so I already did the top-down analysis for us. So you guys know how my charts are set up if you guys are with us daily. The yellow lines on my chart are daily support and resistance. The white lines are hourly support and resistance, and then I have the red lines are my 5-minute support and resistance. So if you guys tune in with when I trade, then this is the style I trade, and I also add RSI on my charts. We're getting a big bullish candle right now. It's 9 p.m., almost 9 p.m., but they're very erratic candles. So you can take impulse trades on them, but they can flip on you and just reverse, you know. So we'll let the market do its thing, and we'll come and scalp it when it cools down a little bit, okay? Unless you want to take those impulse trades. And guys, it's an interactive channel, so if you guys got any questions or comments in the chat, guys, I'm gonna flip to a full screen. Let's see, Albert. Well, yeah, Albert. Thank you, bro. Sullivan channel made 1,000 this morning. Amazing, amazing, bro. And welcome to the sniper team. Albert just signed up with us today. He's tuned in on YouTube. He made $1,000 trading with Dave in the morning, and he signed up with us. So respect, Albert. We'll take care of you, bro. Welcome to the family. Frankie, what's going on, bro? Okay, guys. So I'm on full screen right now. And what I did with my RSI is it oscillates between 0 and 100, strength and momentum indicator. I like to put psychological number right in the middle, 50, to tell me if strength is above or below 50, is it bullish or bearish. And then I also look for divergence so that I can anticipate maybe a trade coming up. So look what's happening. Gold is crazy right now, okay? So leading up to right here, 8:55, it was a bullish candle, and then right away we got a bearish engulfing candle open. It's 9:01, 1 minute into session right now. Okay, so that's why these guys that took that candle, if you don't know how to trade it, you're getting engulfed right now. Okay, so that's why, guys, we don't need to rush into trades. Let's take a look at the charts. Do we see anything of significance, of importance that's going to help us with trading? Yeah, I see right now this yellow line is my daily support right now, 18, almost 1810, 1809.96. So this is going to be a critical break here. If we can get volume to close below this, then maybe we can start to anticipate some sell orders, or we'll see if it starts picking up support here, and then maybe it can flip to the upside. Okay, but I can already see if momentum starts to break up here, I could be positioning myself for a buy entry up here. Okay, because see all of this 5-minute resistance, we can't get over 1810.60. Okay, so like my chart already is, I'm already eyeballing a move like this. Okay, but I always wait for confirmation candles, but I'm watching this now. Look at this break right now. Okay, so we have 2 minutes and 40 seconds left on this candle. So far the first half of this 5-minute candle, we got sellers, just a lot of pressure. You could even take right now, guys, like a impulse sell right here. So that's what I mean. With momentum, you can get it, okay? And it's about to break RSI support right there, okay? It's dropping, guys. This is, did you see how a fake out candle trapped these guys and then bearish engulfing comes? This was a good entry for an impulse sell, guys, okay? I was trying to get in, but my MT4 wasn't set up yet. I had the wrong lot size on it because I When I trade indices and gold, I got to flip flop lot sizes. That's what I hate about that. Um, like a 5 lot on gold is only, it's not a 5 lot on like when I'm trading US30 or Nasdaq. It's only $5 a pip. So sometimes that catches me. Okay, guys, but do you understand what I mean by an impulse sell down? So that was an impulse candle coming down with momentum. You could take the daily support break, 1810, and this thing dropped for 5 pips. Okay, you got a 5 pip impulse move down, okay, minus broker spread. So that's what you got to factor in when you're taking these trades. But I'm following this volume now, okay. I'm looking for the second candle. I'm looking for a retest, okay, because I could be taking a sell. I just want to see, where's this volume going to go? Is it going to come right back into the zone, or is it going to start to continue down and break, guys? Okay, guys, awesome. 22 guys in the room already. Amazing, guys. Thank you. If I can just get you guys to like and subscribe if you're new here, guys. We're almost at 700 subs. Like that means a lot to Dave and I. We put in work for this, and we provide you guys a lot of good educational content. So just let's help get us trending, so that you guys can be part of this when the chat and the sniper team that we're really going good. Okay, guys, so 30 seconds. This is important now. The last 30 seconds of a 5-minute candle, this is where the momentum is. Okay, so we're going to see, so far, this was a very heavy bearish candle coming down to hourly support right here, 1809.42. And now we got some selling pressure pushing it up. Okay, we got 10 seconds left. So is it going to close above or below this 5-minute support resistance area? And we're still below the daily, so we can still get increase to the downside. Okay, so guys, get ready. Okay, so see how they gapped it up? They just gapped it up. Okay, they wanna push it up. They want to push it up to this daily 1810, the daily resistance now. See the gap up candle? We closed down here at 1809.66, and this candle they propped it up at 1809.73. Okay, so it was about a 1 pip gap up. Okay, and this is normal when you're trading stocks, when you're trading Forex, when you're trading candlesticks price action. You will see what these are. But in order to understand what is a gap up candle, this is where we mentor our students, and this is where we take our webinars serious. Guys, sorry, interruption. I got my daughter right here. She wants to come and say hello, everybody. I'm sorry, guys, but she came down. Go upstairs. Okay, sorry, guys. But that's my princess. Okay, guys. So we do have it now coming up. It's a reversal, guys. Okay. We got to follow this volume now. Okay. So that was an initial. They pumped it and it came down, but now it's picking up. So we could be getting a lot of like accumulation distribution in here until we have a good area where we can take a trade. I like up here. 1810.50, because this could be a nice break to the upside if we get nice volume from down here. If we can start to like kind of engulf this red candle, we could be looking for a nice buy up here. But I'm following the volume in this candle. Okay, this could be a harami candle, where we just went over the webinar with the snipers about a harami candle. So for people that don't know what a harami candle is, these candles give you clues as to where the next price action is going to move, guys. Okay, so it's important to understand what these candlesticks are, especially a gap up like this, where they gapped it up. That was a manipulated market move to gap it up. Okay, so we need to follow the close of this candle. We got 3 minutes, and look at, we're at that. Why do you? This is why I put psychological level 50 on my RSI, because I'm looking for a nice break here at 50, and then I can anticipate nice momentum to the upside. Okay, so this is trading price action, guys, like play by play, minute by minute. Wait till Dave and I scalp 1-minute candles with you, but we're not going to do that until we get 1,000 subs, guys. And then we're going to be scalping gold, US30, Nasdaq with 1-minute candles. So if you saw what Dave did this morning on 5-minute candles, could you imagine New York session open on 1-minute candles? What we'll do? We could possibly pick up 1,000 pips in one call. Okay, so it's not coming up to my area where I'm looking for a buy. But what I'm watching is this wick. This wick just got rejected at hourly resistance right here. Okay, so it could be forming a lower high, guys. Okay, this may give us direction for the rest of the night, where like gold will move, because we had such a volatile open where sellers and buyers are fighting right now for the direction of gold. Okay, so it's important, and look at the daily range right here. We have a. If you looked at the, if you look, let me show you real quick. If you look at the daily candle, guys. Okay, I did my top down before I started this. Okay, I just didn't want to waste my time doing it with you guys, but see how small we are? We're small, tiny doji candle. This is us. This is the daily candle. Very, very small range, thin body. So there's a lot of indecision right now in the market. Okay, us on 5 minutes. There's a lot of indecision. We might be trading a consolidation period. So for you guys that don't know what that is we might just get price trending around in this zone for a little bit. And if you look at the pips, 1810. All the way up to about 1811. So we'll be like maybe in a 20 pip box unless we start to break down out of this daily area. So that's what I'm looking for. If we get a daily break, we could go down bearish, but then if we get a nice daily breakout up here, we could start to move up. And we have all of our zones above us for take profits already established. So we got, and then I can see if it's going to be a bigger hourly breakout or if it's just going to tap a 5 minute previous candle. So that's why I have my chart set up like this, guys. Everybody trades different, right? This is just how I trade, okay? And it's just personal preference, but it just helps me from flip-flopping candlesticks. Like I don't want to flip 2 hour daily back and forth, you know? If I can see all the different time frames, support and resistance, and I just use those color codes. What is the bias for gold? It's I just went over it, bro. It's consolidating. You can see how small our daily range candle is right now. And if you've seen the last moves on the daily chart for gold, you can see where we're at. Okay, so we have a double top on the top. Okay, pay attention here, guys. We have a double top up here. Okay, this is a double top. When we got up to about 1834, then we had this bearish candle come down. We have a spin top candle. This is a lot of indecision too, but look at the range of it, 1820 to about 1815. That's a 150 pip range on indecision, okay? So it's kind of cooling off this big red candle, and then follow-up candle came down, and this is us right here. So what we could be doing is we could be finding support on the daily and starting to reverse and come back up here. We could be coming back up to 1814 and then try and get this wick up here and move back up to 1820. That's but if we start curling up here on the daily. And that's why Dave and I, we trade all sessions live with you guys to show you how directions of these indices and commodities move, guys. But if we start to break down here, I'm watching this area tonight, guys, and you should be too. 1807.50 on gold, guys. If we break here, this is where we lose this big bullish daily candle, and we have this much to the downside. We can drop all the way back down to under 1800 if we lose 1807 support, guys. Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that analysis. That's kind of my outlook on gold. Okay, so look what's happening now. We're breaking down further. Okay, bearish engulfing came up, rejected at the hourly, coming back down, and now it's pushing down. Guys, like this is, we could be getting into like, you could possibly start positioning yourself for like, if you're in the sell, okay, so number one, if you're in the sell up here, if you started trading early, this is where you continue to hold the trade, okay, because everything is meeting criteria where it's a lower low, lower high. Lower high, lower low, and now we're breaking through critical daily support levels. Okay, so we could see gold fall back a bit here. Okay, and it can drop from there. There it goes. This is, guys, like impulse breaks. These are impulse breaks. Okay. Okay, so see if you took that sell down there, you could come down, but they tried to push it up, and look at it coming down, guys. Okay, I didn't get in on this trade, so that's why like I'm not trading it right now. I'm waiting to see where the bottom is going to be. Okay, and maybe I'll pick up a reversal, or I'll wait for a pullback, and then I'll look for re-entry for another nice sell position. But Do you guys understand how this thing is breaking down? Okay, and then you adjust you put your trend lines, and you can see how this is breaking down. Okay, technicals. Okay, we have a descending triangle, the white line is going down, and we have a hard flat bottom. This is a horizontal line, but it's more importantly, guys, this is daily support. And you see the 5-minute candles, how they started breaking down slowly, and like this is 8 o'clock, guys. This was 1 hour before we started the call. If you've seen this coming up here to 1811 daily resistance, look at, we have bearish engulfing candles come back, lower high. I can start a trend line, and you see it's respecting the trend line and continue to come down. Okay, so that's like how you trade candlesticks, guys. That's, you want to understand. The past is they've already made their move. So, but they tell you a story. So if you understand where they're coming from, then we can kind of anticipate the future. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at US30, guys, because I want to get into a trade here. US30, okay, pure consolidation. Look at this. Okay, this is easy to chart for us. What we're going to do with this pair is we're not trading anything in here. Okay, we're just going to highlight this area, and we'll be taking buys above this area and up here. Okay, so it's starting now to break out a little bit. 40 seconds on it, but we need like bodies to close above. And we need a retest. Okay, and I just want to catch the support line here. Where's the strength at on US30? Right here. Okay, so we're breaking above 50. We have a low right here, and we have a higher low. So we are building off the bottom. This looks like an inverse head and shoulder pattern forming, guys. Okay, so you have like your left shoulder over here. This is your head, and then now we formed, there it goes. Okay, there it goes, guys. Okay, this is an impulse break, guys. This is a new candle open. So it got rejected up here at 30,077. It's coming down, but watch now if it's gaining here volume. This is not a stop loss, guys. That's not a stop loss. Okay, and RSI, we just broke above the 50, and then our next area we got to target is right here. We got to get above 57. Okay, if we can get our strength above 57, we could possibly push to 60 and maybe 70. Okay, and we could get a nice move on US30 up here, guys. There it goes. Okay, and my next area I'm targeting is right here. There it goes. Look at that, guys. Okay, so it's going, guys. There it goes. Okay, beautiful move, guys. Okay, do you see why I targeted above these wicks? Okay, and did you see the pattern I showed you, what we were creating? Okay, so this was an easy technical ascending triangle breakout. Okay, very basic. Guys, when you want to take your trading to the next level, 35 viewers on this call, guys, for real. Like these videos, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new here, and we have a free Telegram group, guys. It's posted and it's pinned at the top, guys. We show trades we take and everything in there. It's a free Telegram group. We post whatever we do live in there, so it just goes hand in hand. If you're in our live YouTube, you want to be in the free Telegram FX group, okay? It makes sense, right? And if you guys want to take your trading to the next level, for $29.99, you guys get to join the sniper team, and we're growing fast, guys. So it's for the first 100 snipers. Get that monthly mentorship with Dave and I. We have private Zoom webinars and live trading with them. We have online tutorials, courses, guys, trade ideas throughout the day. We have an amazing chat room. It's unbelievable, the guys that we got in there. And so now, guys, we got 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Okay, so we're reaching right here. That's like TP1. Here's TP2, and then this is like TP3 plus. But what we advise and what we teach, guys, is When you go up in profits, okay, if it's just like an impulse break candle, maybe scale out a little bit of position, which, for example, maybe take 70%, 80% profit. If it's an impulse move, because we don't know that it's going to continue to move, it might get wicked out and sellers push it right back down. But you can secure some profits and leave a little bit of a runner with maybe a break-even stop loss. And then if we look for a retest candle, our second confirmation candle, we can hop right back in the trade, guys. Okay, let me know, guys. Are you guys in the buy on this US30? Yeah, bro, the good luck charm. That's my princess, Albert. Why do I keep missing these webinars? Frank, I don't know. Why are you missing all these webinars? We post the link in the chat and in the VIP group all the time. Oh, the webinars are not for YouTube. They're for private members. Sorry. They're all the webinars are for the sniper members, guys. I'm not sure why you're not getting them. Oh, you got to join the chat, bro. You got to join the chat. You got to join in the chat room. I'll message you, okay, right after this. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm following the momentum of the candle. We got 18 seconds. This thing has legs. We could possibly come up to 35,089, okay? Let's see the continuation candle. So we got the strength where I wanted it above that 57. Okay, so look at the gap up. They gapped it up red. They want to bring it down bearish. Okay, so first level of support, its tapping is right here. This was our previous 5-minute resistance. Now we're going to use it as support. If it breaks here, it's going to come down into here. And what we need to do is catch a wick in here. We got to create above 50% of this bullish candle, because the probability will go up further if we hold 50% of this volume is in our favor. We could continue to gain strength and continue to come up to this TP3 up here, 35,088, and we're still holding here. See the wick? It's holding 35,082. All we got to do is just continue to get some buying momentum, because we have a lot of selling pressure on this candle right here. And if you see, we're approaching a heavy area. This was a big area where it sold off. Okay, so we could come right back down here. This could be a lower high red candle and coming all the way back down and push this down, guys. But that's why you got to be patient with these candles, guys, and you got to follow the wick. See now the wick, how it's pushing up. If this red body now, buyers flip this green, this is going to turn into a hammer candle. So we got to get all this volume up above there. Okay, and this was a very, very, very bullish candle. Okay, you see they gapped it up. It's got no wick on the bottom. This is an ignited candle, and it's got no wick on the top. The Japanese call this a Marabuzo candle. And look at we're getting additional. There we go. That's the hammer candle right now. We held support right here, guys. This was like very, very technical, guys. Okay, so we held that 5-minute support. It was a bearish candle coming down. We grabbed liquidity at the bottom here. More 5-minute buyers are coming in. I just added again. Okay, and I'm driving this hammer candle. Okay, I want to get up to here. If not, I'm going to scale out a little bit. Okay, I'm going to post the trade, guys, in the FX group. Okay, to show you that I'm trading. Guys, join the free FX group for real. It's linked at the top of the chat. Okay, there we go. Next profit target, I want 35,095, guys. We could potentially get up there, but what we need out of this candle is if we can get volume to close above this red line. If we can close above 35,088, 089, then we could have some additional momentum to get back to this area. Okay, guys, let me know about the trade. If you guys understand everything I'm saying and you guys get it, let me know, guys. There we go. Okay. So just need the strength now. Now we got above 57. We're at 61 right now. Okay. So let's see if we can continue push. We got 2 minutes left on the candle, guys. So let's see what we get here. Who's going to have the momentum now going near the close of the candle? You got the bulls. The buyers are in control. We're getting above there. Guys, this could push right up to here, guys. Let me know, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you guys are in this trade. Because the buy entry was down here, guys. And buy entry was over here. This was buy entry. All day here. All day, guys. Okay, did you see how we broke this 5-minute resistance? And we had this nice uptrend forming. Okay, I showed you guys this. And that was a beautiful, beautiful textbook technical trade, guys. Gold. I'll get to gold in 1 second, bro. 1 second. I just, because I'm in this trade, I want to just see where we're going to close here. Let me just, when you tell me this, I got to go to gold. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. So gold is coming into this zone, guys. Gold is coming into the zone. But just wait for volume to close. Both candles, we got 1 minute, guys. But I got to go back to US30. I'm sorry. Because I'm in this. I got to just see how it's going to close here. Okay, so what I do is I zoom in. I love, wait till we get to 1 minute candlesticks, guys. It's going to get amazing, for real. Subscribe to the channel, guys, if you are new here, for real. Yeah, a lot of content here, guys, a lot of value. Okay, so now you got selling pressure coming. It's forming into like a spin top candle right now, but the body it's more bullish, right? So we're still holding buying volume inside a candle that has some indecision. Okay, so 20 seconds left on it. So remember, we got to hold this support level, 35,081. This was our last 5-minute support. So if we can create now a new higher high, which we did from here, 35,084, we got up to 35,090. Okay, so we did create new higher high. Nice close. We closed with the volume above that red line. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys here. We closed above here, and look at the momentum. See how that flipped red? It had initial selling pressure. Look at where we held support, guys. 35,088. All we got to do is get above this wick, and we're going to continue driving, guys. There it goes. Okay, and I got this area targeted, 35,095, guys. Guys, like, this was very technical trade, very basic trade, guys. It gets way more complicated than these types of trades, but that was a nice breakout, guys. But what I'm doing is I want to see how much position should I be holding. Is this going to pull back now? Is it going to pull back? But if it continues to hold support above here, then maybe it's just going to cool off the RSI. We might get some sideways action before our next leg up, okay? Thanks, Doug. I appreciate that. Doug just said, I love the play-by-play. Makes a big difference for him in watching the charts. So thank you, guys. I enjoy the play-by-play. I enjoy because it provides education, guys. You guys can learn a lot that way. Learn faster, guys. Okay, so we got the bearish candle coming down. And remember, we want to, here's the support of the volume right here. Okay, so we got to hold here, 35,085. If the sellers come down and push down here, then they could come down and fill this existing wick right here, okay? And if you're looking for a sell opportunity, guys, okay, for those scalpers that love to do the buys and then the retracements, remember, if you're doing this, this could be a pullback, and if you're taking a sell, if it doesn't break these levels, then it could just be a pullback and reverse and come right back up, okay? It could be a healthy pullback. But if you're in these trades counter trading against a bullish trend breakout, then you got to know that there could be just like a 5-10 pip move if it doesn't break down. So if you get this initial candle right here, like if you got that wick up there, 35,090, it came down to 85, that's a 5 pip candle, okay? 5 pip move. That's a beautiful counter trade. 5-10 pips on a counter is a good trade. And then you're looking for momentum. But if this thing breaks down, then it will come down further and it will walk it down. So these red lines were previous resistance. Now they should be acting as support levels, okay? I'm just going to flip to gold 1 second. Okay, so gold, similar, guys, gold is the same thing. Look at what we had. We got this nice big bullish candle closing into that area I just highlighted for you guys. Then we had a bearish candle come down. It picked up support, long rejection wick. Could turn into a hammer, and gold could also start to go up. We got strength above 50, so we do have buying momentum. So even gold can start to get into a buy here too, guys. Albert, 30-minute candle coming? Yes, sir, in 2 minutes. So Albert is highlighting 30-minute candles, which is amazing. Like, it's a good idea because we want to feed off of this 30-minute candles, okay, on US30. I had this area consolidating. We started breakout. So look what's important for our 30-minute candles. See up here? This is where we got rejected here. We got rejected. That's what started that downtrend. If we can get this 30-minute candle, guys, above 35,088, then we could have momentum for our next 30-minute to pick up some support here and start going up to maybe 35,095. And in our daily, guys, the yellow line is our daily resistance. Maybe we can get up to 35,107. Okay, so we have about 1 minute left on this 30-minute candle, so we got to get above. That's why I have those 5-minute resistance lines, 35,089. Okay, and where's that 35,089? It's right here. This is our candle, this one we're trading. That's why I want to see if momentum can get above here. We could start to push up again. This could just be a small pullback, and or next 30-minute candle can open and then start going bearish. Okay, and then you got to be ready, guys. So if you're in profits on this, you need to start to secure profits, because we could get a volatile candle come all the way right back down. Okay, Babylon, any add-on zones for US30? Yeah, we're going to see. We're getting an important candle coming up. So if you never got originally in here, we could be looking for additional buys in this area. But we need to finish, guys. That's a critical area, 35,089. I just showed you on a higher time frame. Okay, so look at what happened. See how they gapped it down? Okay, they gapped it down, but we're getting good buying momentum. All we need is some buyers to push it, engulf this, and go up. Okay. Ah, shit, they see what they did? They flipped it, they're bringing it down, okay? But we got to see where it's going to pick up support, because remember, this is the start of a 30-minute candle. So we got to pick up some support. We can't let it break where this breakout happened down here, because then it's forming, what is it forming? It's forming a head. Then look at, then it's like forming a head and shoulder pattern. Here's your left shoulder. This could be a head coming back down, and then it could form a right shoulder and then go down if this has a lot of selling pressure on this like 30-minute candle. Okay, guys, so that's why in these types of trades, when it goes up, how many pips did it go up? Right here to here, you got about 15, 17 pips. Okay, so like on those, you want to secure some pips and leave a small runner just in case this continues to wrap around and go up, but you don't want it to come all the way down and take you out of your 10, 15, 17 pip profit, guys. Okay, so I know it's hard, but that's one of the things that you got to learn to take your trading to the next level, guys, is taking partials, especially when you're scalping. Okay, you have to learn that discipline. Okay, so it's coming down. I'm just gonna flip to gold, guys. Gold, same thing. Okay, so gold came up. It was like a 5 pip move. No, let's see here. 110.50 to 110.11. So 5-6 pip move. Okay, so we need now. It's gonna consolidate in this area. We need to see now. We just broke out above daily resistance on the 5 minutes. Now we just got to catch some support here. We also had the trend break. This is our first trend break on gold here. Okay, so we broke out of a trend. All we got to do is start picking up support here, and gold will be a nice buy going right back up. Okay. But yeah, US30 is retracing. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm just I'm in a few trades here. 1 second. Okay, I'm still watching. It's still holding support there. Okay, guys, so I just posted the trade I took on this bullish candle and the continuation. It's posted in that free FX group. The link is at the top. So my entry was like 35,055 with the spread. I went $10 a pip, 35,063, and I cashed out, took some partials at $82 and just kept a small like break-even runner just in case. But it could get tapped out right there, okay? But that's it. That's it. I got my pips and I got out. You know what I mean? That's why you guys just got to learn how to do that. Because now I could be positioning myself looking for a sell coming. So that's scalping, guys. That's what scalping is. So if you get into those and you don't take your profits, it could come right back down to where it started. Okay. This is a different session. Like when you guys are trading the New York session and or London with us, with Dave and I, you see more volatility. So candles really start to move. Like this pattern, if this was in New York this morning, this could have gone up 100 pips. Okay, but you got to understand. I told you it's a small range today. Today's daily candle is only about 20 pips. The spread, basically, we're trading the spread. You know what I mean? It's a 20 pip spread what we're trading. So if I can get in a scalp and grab 10 pips, I'm going to take my profits until I see something where we're going to have a big breakout. Oh my god, bro. Albert just texted in the group, first day with the membership, and he just cashed out $673. Nice, bro. Oh shit. Nice, man. Congrats, bro. Yeah, I just seen it, man. I just get shoutouts, bro. You're killing it. Wow. That's like 1,700 bucks in 2 days for Albert. Good job, brother. Good job. Congrats, man. That's what it's all about, guys. That's what it's all about, man. Guys, the Forex market is open 24 hours a day, guys. It's like an ATM machine spitting cash, okay? So join in the calls with Dave and I. We do New York. We do a Tokyo session. We're doing now bonus London sessions, guys. So you want to subscribe to the channel and like these videos or take trading to the next level, guys. Just take the leap. Come join us. $29.99 a month gets you in the stock sniper trading program, guys. Okay, so it tapped now my stop loss right there. So I'm looking now where we could possibly see a reversal. We could start to see buying momentum continue, okay, because RSI is visiting right here 50, but it could come back down into this consolidation box. But here's my trend line. So as long as we stay above here, buyers could still come in and reverse this. 4 kids, bro. Congratulations. You're the man. Yeah, for respect, bro. Shout outs to Albert, guys. $673. Okay, so gold is holding, guys. Gold looks strong. Like I told you, if we look at gold, okay, gold I told you was a buy in here, and look at the wicks getting rejected. We're holding trend break. Gold can move. We got nice strength. We could, if we break this daily high, guys, right here, 1811, we can push on gold, guys. And we're forming a nice hammer candle on the 5-minute. Okay, so look for upside to possibly 1811.50 up there. Okay. And if you're in this trade, guys, so what I do is, personally what I do is, if I took this trade here, I have my stop loss maybe placed below this wick of this candle so that I'm below hourly support and I'm also below some recent 5-minute. So that gives you about a 10 pip stop loss, because that's when you're scalping, you're looking to make 10 pips and risk 10 pips. But when we get those runners that go 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 pips, New York, look at New York session, you're getting 1 to 5 on your money, 1 to 10 on your money, 1 to 3 on your money. Those are the trades you're looking to take, guys, okay? But this is Tokyo session, guys. It's a whole different beast. Okay, this is more of a consolidation session. This is the session in the middle from like London and New York. So it kind of cools things off, and so we can see direction for the next market open. Okay, so gold is holding. As long as gold holds this zone right here, 181060, this thing could a reattempt here, and this will be a nice buy, guys. Okay, even up here. Okay. Above here, because you're having a breakout on a daily, okay, and it could very well go to 1812. And then look at our zones up here. Okay, I have the whole chart charted out where it could go. Cashing the US30 drop. So okay, I'm gonna go to US30, guys. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so guys that took that reversal, congrats. That was textbook, guys. That's scalping beautiful. So buy, you can get in this out, but look what's happening now. Okay, so I'm looking here now. So it came down. We just got a long rejection wick where at the previous, this little wick right here that started this whole uptrend. This is the candle, first candle to close with the body above here. And that's where we got that nice bullish run where I took it for 8 pips, okay? But then there was the reversal, but look what's happening now. You got to follow the price action. So it came right back down, broke the daily support, came here, held this support again, and we got a long rejection wick coming back in. So we could possibly see gold start to reverse up here. We have 30 seconds left on the candle. So let's see, can this volume of this candle close above here, 35,073, and we could potentially start to hopefully move up here if we get more volume. But we're right at 50 on RSI, okay? So it's right at it's neutral territory. Sellers could come in and push this down and just push right down this wick and drop down further, and this will be forming a head pattern on a head and shoulder, or buyers need to save it here. 5-minute buyers got to save it here to try and reverse it. Okay, so candle close below that support line. Okay, we got initial buying momentum, but I think this is going to break, guys. This might go bearish. There it goes. Okay, see the little wick at the top? Sellers are going to push this back. They're going to break 35,066, and this is going to come down to 35,060, guys. Okay, if we get the momentum, we could get into like we could look for a sell opportunity here. And for you guys that are already in the sell, you guys continue to hold, because follow your candlesticks. You're in an established downtrend. You have lower lows and you got lower highs. We have now a rejection right here that made that lower high at 35,070, and we have a bottom heavy candle. We just need this to form like a shooting star and come down, break this support, and this thing could have a trend break right here. This is that 5-minute trend break, guys, right here. This is the whole thing that held this thing together when it broke out here. This could be coming to test this right here. And if it breaks down, guys, right here, this is the hourly support left, 35,046. We could get a 20 pip drop here, guys. Okay, there it goes. So there, broke that support, guys. There it's going to drop. Okay, it's testing the trend line now. And if it breaks below the trend line, it's going to come down to here, 35,061. Okay, look at where my cursor is. Now you're getting bear strength. Yes, sir. Thank you for the subscription. Finally, guys. 41 viewers. Unless you guys are all subbed, 40 guys are all subbed, that's great. But thanks, bro. I appreciate that, man. Helps a lot. Namzi, thank you, bro. Appreciate that. Thank you, guys. Thanks for the subscriptions. We want to get to 700 subs tonight, guys. That'll be a big goal for Dave and I. Okay, there it goes. Tapped right there. Guys, you could use that as another take profit zone. But if we have momentum, break below here, we're coming down to here. 35,055, guys. Okay, there it goes. Now what you can do is, what time is it? It's 9:42. Guys, look at your 15-minute candle now. You got a 15-minute candle that's going to close in 3 minutes. Look at this engulfing 15-minute candle. It's completely engulfed that. That's why I'm watching this critical break right here. If this 15-minute candle breaks there, it can come down to here, and easily, guys, and maybe in our next 15 minutes, we can come down to this hourly support, 35,046, guys. We got a heavy 15-minute candle coming down. "36 viewers, guys. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys, for real." Okay, watch that break, guys. Watch that break. Let me know, guys, if you got any questions about this breakdown, okay? This is beautiful, guys. We had a nice bull breakout, and then we caught the reversal breaking down support, guys. Let me know if you guys got any questions. Guys, 697 subs. The 700th sub will get a free VIP membership with us for 1 month on us, okay? So the 697, 698, 699, that 700 gets a free monthly membership with us, okay? Just for being the 700th sub, guys. Okay, so we came down, we touched down 35,061. We got 20 seconds. We got some buying momentum, because remember this area, this zone, okay? I pull this zone across if I'm trading, if I'm going to go have a session, I'm going to trade, continue throughout the night. This is accumulation distribution zone, okay? All day in here. That's why I don't like trade this area, but this is where order flow is being fulfilled in this box, okay? So if we can start break down bearish, it could drop, but we got buying momentum picking up now right off of that wick, okay? So it's going to retest now this daily support resistance level, 35,069, because we finally broke below it, but now it's testing it for resistance, okay? And if it gets rejected here, this is like a retest candle, guys. For you guys that ask, what is a retest candle? Well, this is the first impulse candle with the volume that closed below. So what this is retesting this resistance, and right now it's not holding yet, okay? So it's going to retest here, and you see that this bullish candle is continuing to break, okay? So sellers need to control this candle at some point, or this is just going to flip and start engulfing these red candles, and this could be that bull reversal right here at the trend line, okay? So this is where it could be gaining more momentum, okay? And it could be creating a higher low, and this thing could engulf, and this thing could reverse, guys. So if this was a counter trade here, you guys got to grab your pips, secure some, again, break even stop loss, because you could get a big bullish run come right back up here, guys, okay? Unless sellers can start to control this candle and form a lower high somewhere. All these red lines, if they don't hold it, this thing is going to continue to move, guys. Deshaun, catching pips on every call. Appreciate that, bro. I know you're putting in work, my man. He's coming on all sessions with us. He's learning on webinars, everything. And Deshaun, props, bro. Respect to you, man. Like, I can't believe how fast everyone's learning, and the profits that they're doing daily is just amazing, guys. Tomorrow is going to be a really good webinar, guys. So it's going to be about basics of Forex. What we're going to go over is we're going to go over pips, spreads, leverage, lot sizes. We're going to teach you account management, how to place stop losses. We're going to teach you order types. What is a buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, sell limit, market execution. We're going to break everything down for you guys tomorrow, okay? So make sure snipers join into that webinar, 7 p.m. Eastern. We do it before we stream, so we hustle for our guys. We put in work. Look at the rejection, okay? That's what I was looking for, okay? So this was a really nice bullish candle, but it got rejected right here. So it's still a lower high from these candles. So it's still respecting this downtrend. And now we got a long rejection. So all these sellers now got to push these guys down and break it to come down here. But there is still this bullish volume. If it engulfs this, then we could have continuation, bullish continuation, and fill this wick and continue to move up, okay? So this is at a critical point, okay? We're at a trend break here, and we're at daily support on our 5 minutes, and RSI is right at that 50. So anybody can take this right now. Like, buyers can step in on US30 and we can continue to go up, or selling momentum can come in here, and we're going to short the US30 tonight, okay? Deshaun, $700 US plus today. Oh man, congrats, bro. That's amazing. Guys, shout outs to Deshaun. $700 today. No joke. Okay, so that's why you got to be patient and wait for candlesticks. Because remember, it had that big rejection wick. Now look what's happening. It's filling up. This is called a wick fill. So it's filling up, and this, it could, guys, if this breaks out right here, this could be another buy entry up here, okay? If we get enough momentum coming up here, this could be a nice buy entry, which may give us the momentum to get up to here, 35,095, and get to that daily 35,108 that I liked, okay? Look how that's forming, guys. Okay, so we got 47 seconds left on the candle. Let me just flip to gold real fast. So gold is still bullish, guys. Gold is holding. Look at how it's creating higher highs and higher lows. There are a lot of wick candles because they're erratic. They're going up, they're coming down, they're going up. But if you look at the overall, it's creating higher lows and higher highs, okay? And look at it, just tapped the daily, 1811.19. That's that critical area for a big breakout on gold, guys, right up here. So gold, it's having a trend break and holding, maintaining it. Just watch the volume now. Once it takes over this red candle, you could have a wick fill and continue to go up. I'm just going to go to US30, guys, because I want to see this bullish candle, how it's going to close. There it goes. Wow, this thing is just, look at how it's engulfed this candle, and this candle, okay? So all that's left is basically this candle up here. So what we need to do, obviously, sellers are trying hard to push it down because the overall higher time frame was bearish, okay? So technically, this is still a lower high up here. So that's why it's starting off as a bearish engulfing candle. It wants to come down, but we got to feed off of these buyers. So again, we're watching support level. Here's support number 1, 35,082. If we can hold there, then we can possibly come up to here and go up, okay? But this is support 1 we need to hold right here. Enter at 88. Let me see, enter at 88. Enter 88 is right here. You're still below here. I would look for entry above this wick, 91. Me personally, okay? Above that wick, 91. Okay. So if we do get some nice momentum, guys, what I'm trying to say is, if you're not in this original or you didn't get in on this bullish candle, looking for a next entry, we could be looking for like a buy in this area. Okay. Make sense? Okay, for sure, bro. No worries. Because if you get in at, where were you at? You were at 88. If you get in at 88, you're still below you still got some sellers in this wick. So that could be a head fake candle. Like, you could get in and they could fake you out and take you right down. So this is more like confirmed entry, but this, again, you're going to have an impulse candle breaking out. You could have, it could look like this. You could have an impulse candle breakout, tap up here, and then come back down. This is the retest confirmation candle. This is the one we're looking for, just like the candle that's forming right now. That's a retest confirmation candle. And then we're looking for increased momentum to get up to here, and then possibly to that daily resistance up there. Okay, so this is a retest confirmation candle. You got this big bullish candle breaking through all these resistance zones, closing up here. So this is retesting this support line now. Okay, and so far it's still holding. We've been 2 minutes and 10 seconds into this candle, and buyers are holding their position right here, 35,082. Okay, all we got to do is just get this strength to continue to go up. We need more buyers, got to come in here basically to take this candle up to the next level. If not, there's still higher time frame selling pressure. If I look above me, all of this up here, remember that it got pushed down from 35,123. That's what started this big. So we're trying to get through this. We're trying to create higher highs so that we can maybe be bullish on US30 going into London tonight. But if sellers keep pushing all this pressure down, we're going to be shorting US30 later on tonight. I'm gonna hopefully after this call, guys, I'm gonna smoke a J like last night, go to sleep for about 3 hours, and I'm gonna get up 2:30 a.m. Eastern time with you guys. Okay. And I want to grind the London session with you guys. I want to follow up on this, okay? Because it's good, guys. You get on a call like this with me. We understand where the price action is going. Then we do London. We're feeding off of that. Our charts are already done. I'm not even going to change my charts. You'll see my charts will remain the same, and we get right back into trading. And then you guys go with Dave in New York and collect 200-300 pips with that guy. He's an animal. So guys, just subscribe to the channel, like these videos for real. Like, we're taking trading to the next level, guys. Gold, oh yeah, gold, and gold is mooning. Yeah, I'm bullish on gold, guys. Whoa, look at that, guys. Look at gold. Look at gold. Holy shit. Guys, it just tapped that 1812.82, that our next daily resistance. Oh my god. But did you see how that play developed, guys? Okay, did you see how I was telling you? Slowly we broke our trend, created higher highs, and look at that pop right above there, guys. I told you right here, this daily zone 1811, right there, that yellow line. Look at that, insane, guys. Oh shit, let me know if you guys got in on that. I didn't get in. Let me see, maybe I did. I had multiple orders, but I think I hit US30. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I got the US30 runner, guys. It's going 160 right now, swiftly. I'm going to post it in the Telegram group, guys, to show you. Get in that Telegram group. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. And we got, yeah, look at our, hey, look at what we got here. US30, guys. There's buy entry, 35.90. Just got up to 35.98. 8 pip move right there, guys. Okay. So, and now here's retest. Boom, guys. We're going up. Here we go. Retest, hold, and we're going to, guys, I told you this level, 35,108. There we go. Oh, ooh, shit. Snipers is eating tonight. I held, guys. I held this play here, so I'm almost at 200 on this one. Okay, check it out, guys. I just posted it in there. 187 US dollars. Okay, on so it's almost at 19 pips, guys. Okay, so beautiful. 20 pipper. Take profit. Yeah, guys, take profits, guys. Like, grab some profits. Okay, don't get greedy. Grab some profits. I'm scaling out. For real. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. We'll get other trades, guys, but 20 pips here, 20 pips there, 20 pips there, 100 pips in New York, 100 pips in London. Guys, we can easily grab 500,000 pips a day, guys. But that's just with the live trading. You got to see the trade ideas we send to the group, guys. Then when you learn the skill, you guys can do this all day, 24 hours a day. But it's fun with us, man. I feed off of you guys, like the energy you guys give. You know, I can trade here. Dave and I trade ourselves, you know, but it's fun doing it with you guys. The energy keeps us going. Like, I'm only going to get 2 hours sleep, and I want to get back on here for you guys. For real, like I want to see you guys succeed, make some money, guys. Everybody, it's from the forex markets, guys. It's trillions of dollars trickle through the markets daily. You know, if we take a couple 100,000, whatever it is, you know, it's not going to affect the markets. It's better us than the big banks. Do you guys not agree with me? Okay, so US30 is looking great, guys. Strength is staying above. Okay, remember that's why I have these levels on my RSI. We broke. Look at where we're getting rejected. Okay, why are we getting rejected on RSI? Now we're building a double top on our RSI right there. Okay, at 62, 63. Okay, so we just got to hold, maintain here, and if we can break out from here, then I told you we could possibly get up to 70 on RSI, and that's where maybe it could start to die off a little bit up here, because that's a daily resistance, 35,108. It's a beautiful move. So you got to give some respect to this move, but then after it could cool off, and then we're going to get a nice pullback, and we could enter for a sell, guys. We could grab that pullback. So entry, guys, original entry right here to where we're at. Close to 30 pips, guys. Close to 30 pips. So beautiful move on US30. Gold. Oh shit. This thing's a beast, guys. Okay, so it's starting to get, I don't really trade RSI just because where it goes, but I'm just letting you know it's at around 73, 74. So it is starting to get overbought. We are reaching this white line. 1813.40 is my hourly resistance. So I don't know how much more momentum we can get to break 5-minute candles on an hourly level. So we might see gold start to pull back. But again, this is gold, guys. It can go 75, 80, 85 on RSI. When it wants to move, it moves, guys, okay? But I'm just giving you guys heads up, maybe scale out a little bit, okay? Because we could get a retracement coming back, guys, okay? This is awesome, guys. I'm having a great call. Hopefully you guys are too. I'm just going to check the chat, what's going on. Oh my God. Alex, holy shit. Crazy stuff going on in the sniper chat right now with profits, but that's awesome, guys. Okay, so gold is moving. So what we need, let me just give a little bit more analysis. We're above now our next daily resistance up here, so now it should act as a support level. So we need volume on 5-minute candles. If we can hold above 1812.82, then we could possibly maybe cool off up here, and we could continue moving up on gold, okay? But expect maybe a retracement, okay? You got a rejection wick right there, you got another rejection wick, okay? But I could be waiting till this play is exhausted. It wants to tap. It wants to tap up here. It wants to attempt, guys. I believe that these 5-minute buyers, they want to attempt this hourly and see what happens. Because if it breaks, could get some more momentum, guys. And guys, also 10 p.m. This is a new 10 p.m. Eastern. This is a new hourly candle. So let's check out our hour candle. Look at this, okay? Look how small the wick is right here. So this hourly candle can take out this wick, and we could get momentum off this next hour, guys. We broke 50 on our side on this hour candle. So all we got to do is get above this wick, 1813.40, and we could possibly hit our next hourly target up here, 1814, okay? So see how I have my 5-minute take profit zones, but then I also look for my next bigger one, because this is where the breakouts could happen. Here we go, guys. This is a very bullish start of an hourly candle, okay? So I'm going to flip to the 5s to watch this. There it is. So all we need is this break right here, and we're coming up to here. This could eventually get up to 1814, okay? But it won't get there yet because we're overbought on our 5-minute candles. So it needs to cool off a little bit. So this is what I mean. This could be a retracement coming back. Cool off the RSI so that we can curl up and go right back up, okay? That's what's happening. But if you get some nice confirmation from a higher time frame, then you'll expect a little bit pullback, but then you can, hopefully it's a reversal and not just like it dies off, okay? And let me just go to US30. Okay, so US30, same thing. It's coming, consolidating up here. Now it's retesting these levels for support, okay? So we just broke this high, so it's testing here for support levels, okay? So I'm going to chart gold right now, okay? Because I got out of that US30 trade myself. I'm out. I took my profits. Um, but amazing, guys. Amazing. Good shit, guys. I love when you guys are profiting on these calls. Money never sleeps, guys. Money never sleeps. You guys are absolutely right. That's why I love Forex. When people are sleeping, we're out hustling. We're out hustling, catching these pips. So there's nothing wrong with that, guys. Alex, my man, I just seen what you posted in the chat. Wow, how much is that? Damn. Okay, guys, so now look at the candlesticks. Candles are telling us something, okay? So look now how they've turned into like a small doji candle, like a small spin top, because we're starting to get some indecision up here. The volume is dying off. It could be the buying volume is dying off. That's why sellers could come in now and start to short this. But this could just be cooling off up here. So what I like to see is maybe this is going to form a flag up here. So this is where I get this tool, this rectangle, and I like to box this in, okay? And then what I do is, if the price action is going to trade around here, I'm not looking for trades. I'm going to sit back, relax, I'm going to enjoy my cream soda right here, and I'm going to wait for the next move, okay? Because I've already got on the US30, I got my 20 pips, okay? So same thing with US30. It's consolidating at the top, just like gold here too. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to box this in, and I'm going to chill out. I'm going to wait now to see for the move. If it's going to break out with confirmation, get up here, I could get into a new trade, or this could start to break down here and I could get into a sell down here, okay? And let me just do the same for gold. So gold, again, now we're getting some indecision. So gold too, it could start to do this. It could now continue breaking out bullish, impulse break, then we're looking for a retest here, and then to break that hourly and look for that straight up to that daily, okay? But the RSI is overbought, so we are going to expect a pullback, and what we could look for now is, you could look for a possible break right here at 1812.84, look for that impulse, come down to that wick, and if it doesn't break there, buyers could step in, push it up here, and then you're looking for a bearish engulfing candle to take it down to this hourly support break, and you're looking for this play, okay, and back down to 1811. Okay, so that's how my chart is set up now. All of this, I'm not touching, I'm not in a trade. But guys, for the guys that are in the gold trade and you guys are holding, you guys can still hold this because this is a bullish continuation pattern. So it could just be cooling off RSI. We've seen that hourly candle could be gearing up to break out. So just monitor that if you guys are in a buy and secure some profits. And the US30. It's starting to break down now, okay? So look, the candle body just closed right there. Now we got a gap down right here. So it could retest this, and this could start to come down now, okay? Alex, take it easy, man. Be safe at work. Take it easy, bro. Question, Albert. Question, you ever thought US30 is moving? It's still consolidation, right? So US30, okay, so look at what happened here. This is overall 5-minute frame, okay? So up here, this was the big sell-off, 35,123. We came all the way down to here, 35,047. This was the consolidation zone. This was that beautiful break. I got into that one, and it came back, but look, it picked up and we're moving back up. So we broke above here. So this is a good area that for support, 35,090. If we can hold up here, then I could possibly see it curling and coming right back up and testing this area, 35,107, okay? But we are slowly getting out from the basement, okay? We're starting to make moves on US30. So if we continue to make some moves tonight, if we get above 35,108, we could get up to here, 35,124, and we could come up to 35,142. Like the market could be, the market has its a mind of its own what it wants to do. When it's at all-time highs, man, the market just wants to do what it wants to do. But right now, we could be getting into like a nice little sell opportunity here, like a nice little retracement. So what you could do if you're taking like sells here, you could, depending on where you want to put your risk management, where you want to place stop loss, you could place it like above that consolidation box, above that 5-minute wick, but it could easily come right back up and tap you out. So depending how your risk is, you always want to have good risk. What you could do is you could, to be safe, place it like above a daily resistance or an hourly one if you have one. And then you're waiting for this candle to confirm and start to break down. Because this is the retest candle, okay? So it's retesting. See how this previous candle closed at the bottom. The volume was at the bottom. It opened, came up, retested this, got rejected, and it came down, okay? So it's a doji candle. It's a thin body, very little volume, indecision. It's at a critical area. This could start to retrace US30 back down to here, or buyers could come in and start to take it back up. So I wait for candles to close. I look for confirmations, because if this is not breaking down, I haven't hit a sell. I'm not looking for a sell yet. I'm just showing you where to place a stop loss if that is there, and I could possibly be looking for a continuation buy coming up here now. Okay, and then what you're looking for the top, like how I showed you on gold, is a pattern like this, impulse break, retest this area. You got to look for here for a higher low. You got to look for some, like a bullish engulfing candle. You got to look for buyers. You got to look for a wick, and then to take it up to here, break, possible come down, and then right up to here. Okay, and going bearish. Okay, I'm following this candle because I can easily get into a sell, but I don't want to play around with this candle until I start to see now, like the last 30 seconds of the momentum. Where is this candle going to go? Okay, it's got a high right there. There's the wick. This wick is lower from this wick and lower this wick. So you are in a small, little, tiny downtrend. It's already created a lower low. Okay, this low was lower than that low. All you got to do now is start watching this volume now. Okay, so we got 17 seconds left on the candle. Gold is pulling back, guys. Gold is pulling back. Okay, look at gold. Okay, so what did I tell you about gold? Okay. Okay, so consolidation box, this was the first impulse candle breaking down, broke. This is like a retest candle. So it's turning green. It could be pulling back up here, and then we're looking for a possible rejection, and then it could go down further, okay? And then you're looking for it to break right here, 1812.40, and it could come down, okay? So this is the retest candle. We're going to see, is it going to retest this area, 1812.64, or, yeah, see how it's coming back up here? It wants to retest this yellow line. This is daily. This should be daily resistance now. If these sellers are for real, they need to start pushing this down at daily resistance. If not, this green buyers are stepping in. It could engulf this red candle, and it could come out of this consolidation area, and gold could continue to run, guys. Okay, this could be like a small pullback. Okay, same with US30. See, it's right back in that box. Okay, so this is consolidation, guys. Okay, this is consolidation on both pairs on the 5 minutes. Okay, they both had big moves. Okay, a 30 pip move is a big move. That's a big move on like 3 candles. Okay, so got to expect a little bit of a consolidation, like a cool off. It has to, okay? Unless you're trading like the US market in the morning when there's big impact news that drive. But you've seen today, if you guys were trading the US30, it dumped 100 pips and it came right back up 100 pips. I'll show you right here. Okay, it formed a head pattern. It was like a textbook head pattern. Here it was. Where was it? Yeah, right here. So this is when Dave was doing the call live. You guys got the sell all the way down, found support here. It started. This is consolidation, guys. This is what you guys were trading this morning. It came all the way down there, box that in, and look for now your break. So what it's doing is it was creating higher lows, and there's your breakout, similar like today. So once it got above these wicks, 34,791, I got into a buy. I was scalping the bottom down here, and it just started to break out, continuing to hold. You're holding now 34,867. This is daily support, and it came all the way back, and it broke where it started dumping, and look how bullish it got. Like, look at the reversal. That's a head and shoulder pattern. Left shoulder, inverse head and shoulder. That's your left shoulder, head formed. Here's your left shoulder breakout. Beautiful, guys. Like, US30 was real easy to trade this morning. It was nice. The moves were very nice. Okay, guys, so look at the sell now. Okay, so look at it breaking down. I'm gonna put a feeler trade in for a sell on that on US30. Hopefully I can catch a little bit of a reversal here if it breaks right here. Okay, so if it breaks here, could potentially come down to 35,088, and then could look down to come down to this continuation off of these candles, 35,085. Okay, so we just need a nice break right there. 1013 again, guys. So I'm gonna flip to my 15-minute candle. 15-minute candle is, they gapped it up, so it's the start of like a bearish candle coming down. It just needs to close below this wick of this candle. Okay, this was that previous 15-minute candle getting up to that 35,090 area. So if we can close with this 15-minute volume below that, we could potentially get some 15-minute selling pressure on our next candle and come down a little further. And then what we're looking to do is maybe come down 50% of this volume of this green candle, which would be right here, 35,082. Okay, so I would look for nice retracement back down to 35,082 right down here. Okay, and if it breaks below there, then it's going to come down, and this could be forming like a head pattern on a 15-minute candle. US30 has a nice triple top. Yeah, so on what time frame, bro? Okay, so there it goes. Okay, so like I said, sell entry here. You could have your stop loss placed above the box there, or you could place your stop loss. I know some scalpers, they like to be safe above the daily and let it breathe, but if you want to just place it a little tighter there, you could put it there. So this is now like another retest candle. Okay, so this could very well come right back up to here and test this area and look for selling pressure, but it's already coming down. So all it's got to do is take this wick down, and this is going to fall, guys, 35,085. Okay, and some traders, guys, if you took the sell up there, that's that consolidation box. You could, yeah, there's a lot of traders that take that there. I was just showing you additional confirmation down here. Okay, so you could take a sell here, you could take a sell there, and look, it just tapped 35,085. It's got momentum to the downside. It breaks there, it's going to come down to here, 35,082. That was that 15-minute level I was just telling you guys about. 15-minute candle there. 15-minute candle is coming down. Okay, just needs to break right there. This is the new 15-minute candle, guys. Okay, oh, if this breaks support, US30 could drop. It could come, oh man, it could come all the way back down to daily support right here, 35,069, guys. There it goes. Okay, so we got 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Our next area is this wick right here. Okay, that was a previous 5-minute, 35,079. Okay, and we got to follow the volume. Okay, so the volume is making lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so it's still respecting this trend line right here. Okay, there is obviously, you're always going to have buyers coming in. You're always going to have buyers coming in, but that we got to watch how the candles are going to close. Where's the volume? Now we're getting a lot of buyers. Okay, so like this is giving me anticipation for like a next move. Okay, so if I'm getting a lot of buyers coming in here, here's my trend line, and the trend line breaks again, then I have my buy order ready for up here. Like that's, I'm just getting confirmation that buyers are coming in, creating higher lows. We could have a trend break, go through this order flow area, and then boom, it's gone. Just like how we got this bullish candle, this bullish candle, same thing could be happening for the next move up. But if we're still bearish on this, we got to allow the candles to do their thing. Like there's nothing we can do about it. I can't speed up the process unless like I flip to 1 minute candles. But guys, we're gonna save that for 1,000 subs. Okay, so when we get to 1,000, we can flip to 1 minute candles, and we'll be scalping 1 minute candles with you guys. Okay, but help us get there, guys. 1,000. I believe we're at 700 now, close to there. If you guys are new to the channel, just please like these videos. Helps get us trending. If there's people searching for live trading, live forex trading, free like education to learn how to trade, then maybe they'll stumble upon our live stream. So that's basically, if you can help us out with the likes and the subscribes and things like that. Ariba Ovis, thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Yes, thank you, man. Thank you, bro. Hopefully you get a lot of value out of this channel, bro. Thank you. Appreciate it. Okay, so I'm watching the candlestick. Okay, I'm watching the volume. It was very bearish, came down here. Now buyers are pushing it back up. We've got 1 minute and 5 seconds left in it. So it does have buying pressure, but it could get exhausted. Like this candle could form into like a hanging man candle, and it's still bearish. Then next candle could come down, have additional selling pressure, and come and fill this wick and come right back down. Now we're approaching the RSI 50. Okay, this is where it could get interesting. The lower we get to this 50, and there's selling pressure there, then it could break 50 and we could drop. Okay, so or another thing could happen like here where it was approaching 50, it broke through, and then we had that big bullish candle start that big run. Same thing could happen over here, guys. Okay, the buyers could be stepping in, making a new higher low to take this up further. But I watched the end of the candle. I told you, last 30 seconds are interesting. Tells me who has the momentum. Now look at the candle filling with selling volume. All it needs to do is break this support right there, break that low, and yeah, if it closes below here, we could get now additional push bearish to the downside, okay, on our next candle. But you see how, last second, how buyers pushed it up, and this candle propped up green, retested that area. Look at where the wick is, and all we need is now some selling pressure to push down, break here, that low, and then next take profit is right here. That one I was telling you guys about, 35,082, okay, and that was that 15-minute one I was looking at. Let me show you the 15-minute candle. Okay, remember I told you the 15-minute candle could be coming down to touch down right here, 35,082. It breaks there, 35,080. Okay. There it goes. Okay. Let me just flip to gold real quick. Gold, look at it. It's still holding its own. Gold is still bullish, okay? So it's consolidated nice in the box. For everybody that's still holding gold, you can still hold. Or wait for this break right here on gold and look for that 1814, okay? And that's your next hourly resistance, 1814. And then above that, next daily resistance is here, 1815. That was the previous day's high, okay? Oh man, look at the 30-30 breaking down here, okay? So next target right here for profits. Okay guys, it's 1021. There's another target, okay? So I told you guys, watch for that, 35,082, okay? But I want further. Okay, now it's at that critical area. This is why I use 50 on my RSI. Now guys, pay attention here. Let's see if we can break 50. Our previous low was like right here. If we break 50, we could get RSI down to 46, and we could fall down further. If it breaks 46, last support level for RSI is 36 level. Okay, there it goes, guys. There's a nice, beautiful breakdown, guys. Whoo, shit. Racking the pips, guys. Racking the pips. Racking and stacking, guys. And if you're in the trade, pips and dip, get out, guys. If you're comfortable with some nice profits, okay? But remember, we got 15-minute candlestick that's coming down heavy, guys. It could break, guys, right here. I'm in this trade, guys. I'm going to post it in the Telegram. Okay, I just want to flip to the 15, okay? So 15, oh yes, this looks sexy, guys. Okay, so 15-minute break this support. We're coming down to 35,077. Okay, wow. So you can see that they're working this big green candle. Okay, they're trying to take it down, but this was a strong candle. So we could get anywhere around here. Buyers could step in on the 15-minute frame and flip this, guys. So again, secure some profits, guys, because it could flip. Okay. Okay, so it's being held here at the at the support. It never really broke, so that's what this rejection wick is. But same thing with that other candle. It had the rejection wick. It was coming up. It was forming like a hanging man candle, and in the last like 30 seconds of candle, sellers came in and pushed it down. Okay. Guys, if there's any questions, let me know in the chat, guys. If you got any questions about anything about this trade, the entry, you guys got any? Ask me, okay? Okay, guys, check out the FX group, the free Telegram group. It's pinned at the top of the chat. I just posted the sell entry that I'm in. Okay, it's up $77, almost 8 pips, and you can see where I entered and writing it down. Okay. So just to show you guys, I am taking these trades. I am taking trades, guys. I'm not just talking here. I believe what I preach. You know what I mean? I feel confident doing this. Dave feels confident doing this. So we take trades live, guys. Okay? So there's no secret about that, but why not? I want to make money with you guys. You guys can't eat all the pips. I got to eat a little bit. There we go, guys. So beautiful. And look at where the 5-minute candle closed. Okay, so pay attention here, guys. Okay, so it closed below that previous wick right there. The volume closed below. Look at how they gapped up the candle. Look at where they gapped it up. The close was down here, 35,079. They gapped the candle above the 35,080, propped it above the support line, manipulation, and brought it right up to here, 35,082. So this is my next like 5-minute quick resistance right here, and then this is like resistance R2, and then you got R3 right up here at the trend line. Okay, so if you guys follow like pivot points and all those things, this is what like R1 is, R2, R3. Okay, but I don't like the pivot point, the indicator. I hate it. So this is like how I do it basically, guys. So what we're looking for is, again, we watch the wick. If the sellers can hold this position and we break here at 50, we could go down bearish. But remember, this thing could gain some support here, and this could be a bullish candle coming up. It got propped up right here, and they want to test possibly the trend line. They want to have a trend break here. Okay, so like for guys with that break-even stop loss, like if you're in here, it's got to hold like right here. Sellers got to start pushing this down so it doesn't break this trend line. Okay. Life of the Young, what's going on, bro? Welcome to the call. Thanks for joining. We're all good. We're all good. We're just making some pips. Guys, I feel good, you know what I mean? So maybe I'll smoke a little J, get some sleep for 2-3 hours, and guys, we might do the London session. So I'd love for you guys to join us in London. We had a really good session last night. Grab some pips, but focus here, guys, what's going on, okay? So they propped it up, okay? And it could start to engulf this candle, but here's the trend break right here, okay? So watch the trend break. And remember the overall move on gold. It started bullish, grabbed a lot of support, broke a higher high. I know this was a nice sell-off. This was beautiful, but you got to respect that this could just be a higher low reversal now. Now we got to respect buyers. Buyers could be coming in and taking gold again up to here. They could be pushing, or sorry, US30. They could be pushing it back to 35,107. They want to test the next daily. Okay. Just gonna answer. Is your monthly program beneficial for scalping only, or swing higher if trades can benefit? It's you're learning candlesticks, bro. When you learn candlesticks, right now, if you guys want, I can trade you. We can trade 4-hour candles. You guys want to trade 4-hour candles? I can give you guys like these are 4-hour candles, but they look exactly like 5-minute candles. So there's no difference, guys. It's just how do you want to be as a trader? Do you want to be more of a position style trader? Do you want to be a swing trader where you hold longer? Maybe scalping is too fast for you and things like that. But you can look at 4-hour. Look at right here, just by looking at gold. Look at all these wicks up here on the 4-hour. Or sorry, I think it's gold. It's US30. Look at exactly what my man said. Triple top up here. Okay, do you guys understand what he said by that? Triple top, 1, 2, 3 on the 4-hour. If you understand what the triple top is, and then you see here you got a spin top 4-hour candle, and then you got a bearish engulfing candle, break down daily support. Get in on your 4-hour candle, get a nice micro nano lot size, and you ride this momentum all the way down. Okay, and how many pips can you grab on that? You can grab like right here, you got your entry. Look at it. It's a big bearish candle. You're following the momentum. You got, bro, 250 pips right there. Okay. So we teach any time frame, whatever you guys want, but we love scalping. We're scalpers by blood. Like, it's fast. You're in the market, in and out. You can grab 30 pips, 50 pips, 100 pips, 200 pips, 300 pips, and you only got to trade for a little bit and you're done for the day, okay? But not everybody loves the scalping style, okay? But we teach everything. We can teach you how to swing trade with learning about daily candles, 4-hour candles. That's why we do top-down analysis on every single call. We don't just jump into trading 5-minute candles. There's a lot that goes behind. But scalping, like my man said, salvation, scalping is king. Scalping is king. I don't care what people say. Scalping is the best. It just, the adrenaline you get with scalping, like I could sit and look at 4-hour candles, but it's boring. It's boring. Like just set it and forget it and walk. That's not my style. I love scalping. I love seeing how the markets are moving live. Play by play, candle by candle. Wait till we do 1 minute, guys. 1 minutes are going to be exciting. Okay, so US30, remember that was a big bullish candle. Look, it got respected. I told you, watch this zone here. The reason why I told you to watch that zone is this is an order flow area. This is where a lot of blocks are here, right here, okay? So this is where we get more intricate and we teach our snipers things like this, okay? So this is like order flow. This is where banks and brokers and everything have buys, sells, things like that. So you got to understand, you got to identify these zones, because if you know what's going on up here, when you got that bullish candle coming up and get rejected here, now you got a high rejection wick. It turned into like a pin bar candle, and now we could look at, now we have this candle come. We're still below the trend line. All we got to do is get some quick selling right here. Break this 50 and US30 is going to drop, okay? This could have been a fake out candle. It was a pullback. But remember, it looked really nice and bullish, but it got held down right here, okay? So there's strong resistance up here on the 5 minutes. This area, 35,090. Remember when, can't remember who it was, but asked me right here for the buy, and I told him, just prop it up just a little bit, up to here, maybe 1 pip, and just so you can clear that zone right there, because I think he wanted to get in at 88. But properly, safer trade was up here, okay? So you don't get faked out, because there could have been a real nice fake out right there, okay? Roy, I think it's going up now. Retails are badly trapped in last. Yeah, man, I agree with you. Roy is like the technical, fundamental analysis king, bro. Respect to Roy. He's always giving me like economical updates, and I love how you look into the markets, bro. I seriously do, because you understand like the psychology of the markets and where like the bigger moves are. So, and then when you bring it down to a smaller time frame, it makes scalping easier. So shouts out to you, Roy, bro. I respect your game. You know a lot about trading. I can tell you've been in the markets for a while. Thanks, bro. Your style of explanation is very easy to understand, so we'll definitely consider signing up for the membership once I attend a few more. Yeah, man. Just enjoy the YouTube lives if you guys like. We do this for you guys, but eventually. You'll see what we're doing. Like a lot of guys that signed up with us, they were on our YouTube channel for 1 week, 2 weeks, traded with me, traded with Dave. We see that we do it consistently. We don't slack. So like there's a lot of sometimes live trading, they'll come on and then they won't trade for a week or this or that. Dave and I, you're getting 2 sessions per day, even 3 sessions now, because I'm even doing some bonus London sessions. So a lot of value, guys. So, and then if you want to take the trading to the next level, then join the team, and then you'll see what type of value you get when you become a real sniper. Okay, so let me just flip to so now, yeah, so see the consolidation now. Okay, so that's why, guys, like when you get in a real nice play, grab your pips, leave a small runner, because it's going to get caught in consolidation. Like I'm not trading this stuff right now. I'm going to like be done in a little bit, 5 more minutes, but it's going to consolidate, and I'm going to come back for market open for London and catch maybe 50, 100 pips there. But all this, it might get choppy right now. Okay, so I got my daily pips that I needed out of this call. Hopefully you guys did too. You guys learned, you guys earned. That's all that matters, guys. And then here we could possibly be getting a technical breakout, or it could get dumped and go down further. Okay. And guys, real quick, just to show you the guys that are interested in the joining the team. This is our website right here. So if you go to stocksnipertrading.com, this is our website. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. This is our program that you get for $29.99 a month. Scroll down. So what we do is you get these free blogs, daily blogs. This was the last one that we just uploaded. Trading FOMC red folder. Dave was trading. This was Wednesday, July 28. We did it live at 2 p.m. This is when we had the FOMC announcements. And this is the trade that we took. This was the bearish candle come down, and it came up rejected. And we got into this bullish candle with 1 standard lots, and it went up for 96 pips total. I think it was for $970 profit in 5 minutes. But we break down the candlestick, why we took that. We explain to you what FOMC is. Guys, these are all free blogs. Okay, here's a double bottom breakout that Dave had on the call. Breaks it down. We show MT4 tickets, everything. So just scroll to the bottom, guys. All we need is your email address right here. Join newsletter, throw your email in there. You get that free daily blog. You guys get to see what we do. But then if you want to become a member, you come to program section. These are tutorials. Okay, so this is what the webinar I'll be doing tomorrow with the guys. I'll be doing what are pips, lots, leverages, what are different order types, what are stop losses. I'll be breaking all that, guys. This is our private Zoom calls that we do with our guys. And then we've already introduced basics of candlesticks, open, high, low, close. What is the real body? How to use them properly. I know there's tons of stuff on the internet, but they don't really explain this in a raw way that you can understand. Yeah, it shows pictures and it shows an open, high, low, close, but there's more to it to understand than it's just an open, high, low, close. You got to understand more to this, guys. It's a little bit deeper than that. Okay, and this is where we get into it with our snipers, and we really break things down. We did the entire bullish family of candlesticks. We did the entire bearish family. So they're all good on candlesticks right now. So we're going to move now to introducing more important stuff now. We're going to introduce to them uptrends, downtrends, how to spot these, support and resistance, consolidation areas, supply, demand, order flow. We're going to get into a pennants right here, this consolidation breakout. That's where we take our trades, but we give an explanation, a tutorial. They're about 10-minute video tutorials. Here are those triangles. Okay, you got ascending triangle, descending, symmetrical triangle. There's pennants, guys. There's these M and W patterns that we trade, wedges. There's the head and shoulder patterns I talk about. Then we get into technical indicators. We break down simple moving averages, EMA, exponentials, What is VWAP if you want to trade that? Bollinger Bands. We'll do that with you guys live. Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci retracements, how to properly use these. This RSI indicator that I use on the chart, you guys probably use MACD. We explain it to you guys how to use it in a different way that is like a raw scalping way. Okay, and stochastics. Then we got strategies, golden death cross strategies with moving averages, the Fibonacci retracement strategies, swing high, swing lows, swing low, swing highs. This one, I love this, guys. I always, when I'm trading live, you guys are with me, I'm always looking for bullish and bearish RSI divergence. We explain it with A, B, C, D. It's video format. It's back tested. Shows you everything, guys. And then here's our webinars. So if you miss a webinar, it's recorded and uploaded, and you can watch these at any time. And we have fresh daily videos coming up daily, guys. Dave and I, we grind, bro. We hustle. We want to see the success of the snipers, guys. We're not doing this for ourselves. We trade, we make money. You know what I mean? We're not here to prove anything. We want you guys to be successful. I don't know how else to say this, but pips are international. Anybody can learn how to do this. You can be from anywhere around the world, guys. We got guys signing up from South Africa, all over Africa, Asia. We got guys in Russia, like all over North America. Like, we're all getting connected together. We're building a wicked team, guys, of solid traders. It's more like a community, like a family. So shout outs to the snipers. Okay, so I don't want to go on a rant, but for guys that are interested and see what we offer all of that for $29.99. That's just the tutorials and the webinars, but you also get trade ideas sent to you daily. You get follow-ups. You get to be part of the chat group in the VIP room. There's tons of stuff. We also do like one-on-ones. If we schedule maybe like a one-on-one, and we can for 1 hour. If you're really struggling with something that you need like a one-on-one, we're there for you. Okay, you know what I mean? We this is what we do. We want to be real mentors to you guys, okay, and really teach you guys this stuff, because there's a lot of scammers out there and things like that. I'm hearing about it from our members coming in here, and I don't want to see that. Okay, nobody should be scammed out of their money or anything like that. If you pay for a service, it should be 5-star service, no matter what it is. So this is the US30. Here's the reversal. So guys, it broke down. It was a really nice scalp, but I told you guys, watch there. Just broke the trend, reversing, went through order flow area, and could be coming back to touch up here. But guys, I'm going to be wrapping up the call, but that's the nice reversal pattern. If you guys want to learn about this pattern more, I suggest you guys join the sniper team, because we got tutorials on this patterns. We have everything. And then we go over with live webinars where it's Q&A. You guys can ask everything, whatever you're, and then and then right after the webinar, we go straight live trading. We're going to do it tomorrow. Tomorrow, 7 p.m. Eastern, right before our live Tokyo session. Okay, guys? So that's US30. US30, I like it. Could be coming up to 35,107, okay? But watch for another rejection up here, 35,100. If it starts getting rejected, could possibly be coming down. And then we have 35,107, and we got 35,069. So that's our daily range right now. Okay, that's our daily support, and that's our daily resistance. So 5-minute candles can bounce around in here, and then we might get the bigger move come towards London. Okay, guys. Gold. Let me just give you a quick recap on gold. Gold is choppy right now, okay? So gold, you see it's consolidating here, had its big move, but maybe London session, we're going to see. So we got daily support, 1812 here. We got daily resistance, 1815. Gold might just trade around in this area, and then maybe London, we'll start to see if we start getting moves and we reclaim 1818 on gold, or if we go back below 1810 and then into 1805 area. And then Dave will be picking up after London, and you guys got New York, guys. Let's try and get 1,000 pips on these calls, guys. Okay, Roy, make good money in this call simply by dancing with you. Yeah, that's what I do. I just dance with the candles, guys. These candles are like a melody. They're playing music to us, guys. Sorry for the music. We had nice music, but YouTube flagged us. So we're trying to find music that we can have, like when we get into pips and things like that. We had 50 Cent, I Get Money, but we got flagged. They were threatening to take our videos down, so we got rid of that. But I got you guys an applause. So congrats to all the snipers on this call. hopefully you guys learned something on this call. Okay, so if you guys can take something from the call, you learn something, then you know it makes Dave and I day, that made our day. So if you guys are always learning on these calls, we explain things to you play by play. It's interactive. You guys can ask us questions. We're live trading and we're still answering your questions, guys. So you know, not too many chat groups do that where they'll respond to each one of you guys individually. Okay, so we respect you guys. It's mutual. But thanks, guys. If you're new, please subscribe. For everybody on the channel, if you can just hit that like button. I'm gonna go now, smoke a J. I'm gonna relax. I'll be up 2:30. We'll maybe start streaming 2:45 a.m. I'll have all the charts ready for us, just like we did tonight's call, and we get right into London, guys. And if you guys can chart too and come into London with me, and maybe we can do multiple pair scalps. Like we could, Patricio, sorry, bro. I saw that you wanted GBP JPY analysis. Let me know if you're still on the call. Let me know if you're still on the call, Patricio. Just write something in the chat. If you're still on the call, I'll go another 5-10 more minutes and I'll do GBP JPY for you. Just let me know if you're in the chat still. If not, I'll do it when we go to London. But yeah, look at like this pair. This pair is pretty good, guys. Like I'm just showing you real quick 5-minute analysis. Okay, so look here, you've got support right there. Okay, we can all agree that that's 5-minute support. We can all agree that this is resistance. Okay, is anyone going to argue or debate this? Do you guys see those candlesticks just trading sideways in there? Okay, so we don't trade this. This is consolidation. This is accumulation distribution in here. Okay, very easy. Box that in. Okay, next area is if we break out, where are we going to go? Look up here. This was our next 5-minute resistance. Okay, and then above there is right here. Okay, and then above there is right here. Okay, now what happens if we break down below here? Where could price action go? It could possibly revisit this area. Let me just see right there. This is like a bonus. This is like a chart setup for you guys. This is like a trade idea for you guys to before we end the call. Okay, so and I don't trade this GJ too much, but so if you guys are trading this consolidation, what do we wait for? We wait for a breakout with a confirmed volume close above here. Okay, so when that happens, guys, this is an impulse candle. It is an impulse candle. Some traders take this as an impulse. Okay, they want to get in early. That's what an impulse is, guys. Okay, guys want to get in early. They don't like if you're trading with Dave in the morning. US30, it can break out. It could be an impulse candle that goes up for 50 pips. And then if you're sitting back waiting for that retest candle, guys are already showing profits. I'm up $1,000. They've already hit money. And you're still scratching your head while you're waiting for a retest. Okay, you got to understand where to take these impulse candles, and if you take them, you got to understand that there's risk and reward involved with taking them. Yeah, you can hit the lotto ticket and it can go up 10, 20, 30, 50 pips, but sometimes they go up for 3-5 pips and then they wick down and then they catch you. Okay, so that's all, guys. That's with practice of trading them, and you got to understand where the breakouts will be. Okay, so guys, 25 viewers on the call, you guys are getting a real education right here, guys. Okay, listen, guys. Okay, so I place 50 RSI. Okay, the reason why I do that is because I like to see the momentum of the impulse play. Okay, let me know if that makes sense, guys. So look at where the RSI was below here. It was below 50, but we're starting to create higher lows. Okay, so let me show you guys. Okay, so this is hidden divergence. Okay, so let me just show you. Okay, guys, I'll go an extra 10, 15 more minutes because I'll do this for you guys here. Okay. Okay, so we got a low on our side creating a higher low. So the strength is slowly going up, guys. The strength is going up. Price action is trading sideways. So it's giving us a little bit of hidden divergence with bullish momentum, okay? So we're looking for the breakout. We get it right there, okay? That's a confirmed breakout and a close of volume. This is your retest candle. So it comes down to test this area. We pick up a wick there and it starts going bullish. This is, and look at here, you know when I tell you guys where I was just looking for to see if US30 would break below 50? It didn't. But this one, I would be telling you guys, watch for a break above 50. You get that break above 50, now you get bullish momentum. You're in now bullish territory. This is where you could get increased buying momentum, and strength and momentum will be going up. So what I would do is, I'm in a buy anywhere here. I place my stop loss below here, below this consolidation box. If I had like an hourly right here, if this was a white line or like a yellow line, I would place it below there. I would be below my hourly or my daily support, as long as it's not more than like 10 pips, okay? And number one, you want to make sure you're getting a one-to-one on your money, okay? So where's your first take profit? This red line. We're getting about close to a one-to-one on our money right there. But what I could do is just tighten up my stop loss there. You're getting one-to-one on TP1. That's a great, right there, boom. You grab your pips, and you could get in right there, okay? And from there to there, 10 pip, okay? 10 pip. 10 pip move, TP1, that's standard, okay? And then next area, guys, what did I just do? I just charted this with you guys 5 minutes ago, okay? So this is my TP2. Bring your green box up to here, okay? So this is where you got to decide. Do you want to grab 20 pips up here, or do you want to continue to let it run? What do you want to do? So what I do personally when I'm trading is, if I go up like 20 pips, TP2, maybe I'll scale out 75% of my order, and I'll leave a 0.25%, 25%, I'll leave it as a break-even runner. So then I'll take my stop loss from here, put it break-even. I already cashed out my bigger gains, okay, because maybe I'll go a bigger lot, and then I'll leave a small runner. If this continues like right now, it's continuing to go up, I'm still profiting, and I'm at a break even. So guys, when we get into live calls with you guys, we teach you guys about emotions, how to control emotions in the market. When I get into a trade, I'm confident getting into a trade. I'm not worried. And then if I get stopped out, oh well, it gets stopped out. But for the majority of the time, if you're trading and your percent is 70, 80, 90% when you're trading, you're just accumulating pips. You get your good R to R, and your count is just compounding every single day, guys. So this was TP3 up here. TP3, that was my third red line from here. What are we at? That's 25 pips right there, okay? So that's a nice easy scalp on GJ, 25 pips. And now we're getting some top resistance right up here. So you can see it pulled back. If you wanted to scalp this pullback, you could see it. RSI is now creeping up. Look at RSI got up to 81, guys. 81, okay? And what we could see is, look, I can see right now trading live, I can see some divergence forming at the top. This wick to this wick is creating highs. Let's connect our divergence right here, our RSI from here to here. It's going down, okay? Price is going up, but look at this could start breaking down, guys. Like if this breaks down, could be looking for like a sell entry coming up. Like this is your next support level. If this thing starts breaking down right there, this is going to drop, okay? So far you do have a little bit of bearish divergence. The price action is going up, but the strength is going down, okay? So you could probably see this thing start coming down now, okay? But that's a quick analysis of what goes through my psychology when I'm trading, when I'm looking to take a trade, what I'm setting up. That's, guys, candle by candle. That's scalping, guys, okay? We've been scalping the markets for 20 years. We didn't start 2 weeks ago, okay? So we really got a good feel for this, good understanding. Dave is excellent. Like we might have a little bit different styles, but if it's working, guys, and it's easy for you guys to understand, then it's all good. Just join us on all these calls, guys. Learn and earn on every single call. And if you want to take your trading to the next level, guys, then join the team. If you guys are interested in those prop firm challenges, FTMO, and funding talent, we are helping our members pass these tests. We've got four or five, I believe now, are past the test. We've got a few that are funded with the elite account with $100,000 of working capital, and they keep 80% of the gains, and they're cashing out. We know for a fact. So if you guys want help with that, Dave and we got your back, guys, okay, for real. We want to grow a big community, guys. We want to see everybody successful. Our mission from day one when we started this was hashtag pay it forward. If I can do something for you, you got to pay it forward to somebody else. If you see somebody struggling or wants to learn or maybe laid off, lost their job in a pandemic, introduce them to Forex trading, guys. It's not that difficult to learn. And they could be making some pips too, you know. It's trillions of dollars go through the Forex markets daily, guys. And it's the big banks that are making all that money. So why can't we get a little bit of it, you know? We got to eat too. But guys, look, it's almost 11. I was supposed to wrap this up. Dave's going to kill me because I was supposed to wrap this up at 10:30 because I got to get at least 2 hours sleep, guys, 2.5 hours, okay? Because I got to get up at 2:30 a.m. Eastern, okay? It's already 11 o'clock here. But let's see. Yeah, Patricio, he logged off, but his loss. So this is good for you guys. So good for you guys for staying on and getting this. Flasturzo, can we talk about our Lord and Savior Baby Shark token? This pump is far from done. Yeah, guys, if you want to talk about that, we'll talk about all of the tokens, guys. But right now, I got to wrap it up, guys. I got to get a little bit of rest, okay? So then so I can get up fresh and we can do a nice London session. So hope to see you guys on London. The link will be sent out around 2:45, guys, okay? 2:45 a.m. So, guys, I had a great call. It was awesome, guys, for everybody that banked some pips and learned. Congrats, guys, and let's do this London session, guys. And then from there, you guys got to get some rest and join Dave for New York. And tomorrow, guys. Oh, big news, guys. Before I get off, okay, look right here. Tomorrow, guys, NFP Day, 8:15 a.m., guys. Listen, 22 viewers on here, guys. 8:15 a.m. USD. Red folder, non-farm unemployment change, okay? Last time this happened, this is once a month, gold ran like 200 pips and NASDAQ went nuts and US30 went nuts. So Dave will be doing this session, guys. This is big, and in 10 a.m. you guys have ISM services, another red folder. This will be volatility in the markets, guys. Be patient, look for your entries, guys, and can make some big pipping. Tomorrow will be pipping. We make pip and eat look easy, okay? So big news tomorrow, guys. London for tonight. When we get up for London, we got a lot of European news, okay? So if we're trading currency pairs like GBPUSD, EURUSD, then these folders affect those currency pairs. But we'll see. We'll be trading, again, we'll trade gold. We'll do US30 and NAS100 for London, okay? Yeah, NFP tomorrow, Akizi, it's going to be big. So gold is going up. We don't know, okay? We got to see what those unemployment numbers are going to be tomorrow, okay? So we'll wait, we'll digest the information and we'll scalp the markets accordingly, okay? Yeah, will Dave come on at 8:15? Yeah, so we'll send out the links, Dan. We'll let you guys know, okay? Most definitely he will be. But guys, I had a great night. I got to wrap it up. Everybody, take it easy. We'll see you in a little bit if you join me with London. But other than that, have a good evening. I hope you guys got some value. You guys learned. You earned some pips. And take it easy, guys. Peace out. Have a good night.